Okay, so we're ready to make this net unit right now. I particularly like these net units so that your scalp can breathe and it's adjustable in the back. But this unit I'm going to make for myself, this is not the original brand that I normally buy. I bought it from a different store. The original brand I buy normally is a little thicker in the front. It's a little bit darker, so I knew that this was a different pack, and it was in a cardboard pack. This was in a plasticky kind of cap. Another thing, these units tend to have wire along the earlobe area. That can be very uncomfortable. It's been uncomfortable for me. Some of my clients pick in it. They don't know what it is. I just tell them to take it out. So now I take it out. You just put a little slit, and I just remove. It's only this big, so I just remove it out on both sides because that can be pretty uncomfortable. So, at any rate, seeing that this is a little bit smaller for my head, I'm going to go ahead and use the dome cap, which is this. And I learned this from another YouTuber. I'll try to locate the name and post it at the bottom, but because I'm having this head size problem, this is very unique. So I did measure my scalp, my head circumference from the front to the back, and of course from the earlobe across to the earlobe. And I've measured it, put it on here, made a line for where the mark was at, and just some dollar tape. I just wrapped around and around and around so I got the inches of my circumference of my head. So here she is, big head styrofoam doll, and the dome cap. Okay, and another thing. Here's the review on the Indian Remy hair. This is only co-washed and air dried. It was taking a little long it was drying pretty quick, but I'm at work, so it was taking longer than I wanted. So I stuck her in the dryer for a little bit, and hopefully that would make it scrunch up and give it a tighter curl, which it really still did not. I felt hanging it dry was letting the curls be more elongated, and that's not the type of curl texture I wanted. Um, this is the Aleene's wefting glue. It's still very kind of thick. I did it on both sides. It still has that tacky feel. I wet it on purpose to see would it take off some of the residue or something. No. So I heard that some people said they're using RIT or some type of powder or something to take that little feel off of here. I'm going to attempt to sew through it. If it doesn't work, then we're just going to hot glue her down and call it a day and get some other hair and sew it in like I had wanted. So again, I haven't gone through and taken out these threads. There's a blue one, and there's still some red ones throughout. But at any rate, this is the hair. It's two bundles of 12-inch. I'm hoping that's going to be enough. I did want it very full. I could have bought three, but now I'm happy I didn't. Um, so we're going to go ahead and attempt to make this full head unit with the 12 inches. And normally 2 bundles of 8 ounces should at least work. If not, then I'm going to pop on a little temporary closure for now, or I might just split it. I'll play it by ear as we go. But let's begin.